y'all, man. Hey, check it. Before I get to the intro, listen, man. This right here, y'all already seen my title and thumbnail of the video. Y'all already know what it is, man. Listen, it's a gun range day that we had. Well, it's basically range day compilation, man. All the videos, I found some of the videos that I already had. Put them all together for y'all, man, because I know everybody know no gun range is open. Nothing, man. You can't hit the gun range. So I'm like, damn, why not just go ahead and make a video all the gun range times, you know what I'm saying, that me and my friends and stuff had. Make a video for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Put it all together so y'all can see the shooting footage. Cause y'all love to see the shooting footage. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all know how we get down in the ranges. If it's your first time visiting the channel, man, y'all already listen, man. This is gonna let y'all see right here. This is how we get down in the ranges. I'm gonna tell y'all first. We shot regularly. We rapid fired. We did everything. That's what we do. So I don't hit no comments saying y'all shooting rapid fire, y'all ain't practicing your shots. If you watch the whole video, you're gonna see. And if y'all wanna talk some more shit, listen, y'all can link out with us, 4-on-4 match. You know what I'm saying? Your 4 versus my 4. You think what I'm saying? Me and my homies, me and my 3 homies, you know what I'm saying? Bet. To see who can actually shoot out of the better group. You think what I'm saying? Y'all ain't gonna be able to fuck with them. I'm trying to tell you, trust me what I'm saying. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I hope y'all like the video and everything. But first, I gotta go back into the intro, man. You know what I'm saying? If it's your first time visiting the channel, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Turn that notification bell on so you don't miss no coming bangers, man. You think what I'm saying, man? Make sure you follow my Instagram, my _Ayeeedayday. But look, you follow my IG, man. You'll miss no coming videos, no teasers, no thumbnails, no posts, no none of that, man. Gang shit, you think what I'm saying, man? So listen, man. Make sure you do that, man. Make sure you follow my other YouTube channel. Link in the description down below. It's called Ayeeedayday, man. It's pranks, entertainment stuff, man, public interviews, man, everything, man. We about to go turn up. Soon as this whole virus, all this stuff is over, we turning up on that joint, man. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all already know I'm in the truck driving that like always. You dig what I'm saying, man? Holla at your girl, give me a call. Holla, you dig what I'm saying? But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. And this video is just for y'all, man. So I hope y'all like it, man. They gang, you dig what I'm saying, man? Let's get right into the video, man. So let's go, man.
No, Kevin.
Oh,
I'm
I'm sorry.
you move.
I gotta get one. Hey, that's accurate as hell, bro. Shoot and call it a day. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Hold on. You ain't shit, man. Hey, bro, hold on, let me try this side. I don't know what's going on.
Give me the gun, G.
Hold on, G, I'm working. Hold on.
Fine, hit. I'm telling you. Put that 3 off.
You gonna hit the top?
I bet.
Barely
You bet.
Yeah.
Take it off. I can't tell you got it out, bro. I can't say it.
I can't hit it. Damn, that bitch high. Fuck.
He said I can't talk, man.
Okay. Tear that bottom part off. Oh! Yeah.
Like you right on time, but that shit got light.
Oh, okay.
kill, dude.
You don't be paying attention.
You're paying attention, Red. You did, man.
What shit anyway?
That bitch was good.
You get back.
Yes, you did. You did. Let me get a shot. What I'm shooting at?
I don't know.
There you go.
There you go.
Having shots is the problem with my mic.
Sheesh.
It's a rental.
Rounds for days. Oh my God. Sheesh. We're going crazy. Oh my God. I gotta get you on camera. I gotta get you on camera. I gotta get myself on camera. I gotta get my... Why ain't this paper tore down yet, G? Why ain't this paper tore down? You see all these guns? Hey, Kurt. Hey, step aside real quick. All these guns, we ain't tear that paper down yet, G?
I mean, what's up?
We're supposed to tear it. Look at the arsenal. Look at
I got you. Watch this.
No,
Keep it rolling. Let me slide past you, sir.
I swear that goes.
That's supposed to tear, bro. What y'all doing, man? You gotta tear that joint. You gotta tear that joint. Take it to 10, G. I'm gonna load. I'm gonna tear that joint down.
Close and see what you can do. Left target.
Man, tear that joint down, man. Let's get it. Show them how you do it, bro. Tear it down, bro.
Sometimes it's like that.
You gotta let it off sometimes, man. I just lost a
Sometimes it's like that.
competition, man.
Hey, we gotta tear it down. Oh, you got some good shots on the headshots, though. I see you. All right. We gotta tear that paper down, yeah. We gotta tear it down.
Gotta get it
yeah.
down.
We gotta tear it down. still recording?
Okay, that's pretty okay.
You see it?
That's pretty
You
okay.
see it? Oh, you see it?
That's pretty okay.
Oh, let him, hey, come on.
Like a bitch. Good deal. Alright, son. Right shoulder, G.
Top right shoulder.
Alright, zoom in just a little bit.
This one right here, right? This one?
Yep. Like this. Like that. You gonna bring it down too.
Oh, shit. Alright, that's it, left. Oh, yeah. Alright, give me a number. Give me a number.
Top right shoulder, get that shoulder back.
All your target. Right shoulder, one to the head. There we go. That shit sounded beautiful. Lean into your shot a little bit more.
Gotta go ahead and hit that Drake, you know what I'm saying?
Let him know, G.
See what she
No
did.
love with the drink, right?
Of course, I'm
No.
getting it. Hey, look. And I'm throwing the brace on it.
Think I got you gonna take it off.
Never that.
Uh-oh.
Stop what you doing.
I'm about to say, don't be rookie with it
Stop
now.
what you doing.
Look,
I've been shooting guns. That was 2.
looking like a Russian AK mob, G. Let's get it. Let's get it.